How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to another 2-minute quick tip video. This is a series that I started where I share knowledge, compress it down into a 2-minute time frame, and without further ado, let's get into today's video. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock and crack straight into this video. Today's video is going to be about the electric park brakes in a vehicle when you're carrying out a service. Ideally, you want to have a scan tool or something that's going to be able to wind back those pistons so you can carry out the service as per manufacturer recommendation. Where I'm getting in with this DIY type solution is if you do not have that capabilities and you really need to get that rear brake service done for one reason or another. If you find yourself in this position, this tip may help you. What you're going to need is a power source, a 12-volt power source of some type. I'm using my power probe in this video. You're also going to need electrical connectors to be able to get into the 2 pins if it's a 2-pin setup on your connector going on to the electric motor. What you'll need to do is wind back the piston so you'll find out the polarity. So if you find that when you apply the power, it's winding it in, you just reverse the wires and spin it the other way and those pistons will wind out. But the real tip on this one is when you are installing them, when you wind them in and you are tightening the brake pads in, you just wind it out a fraction. You check to make sure that the rotor is moving freely. But after that, you jump in the vehicle and you cycle the park brake on and off 6 to 7 times. This will do an auto adjust and you will find that your brakes will be fine after this. Just cycle that electric park brake on and off 6 to 7 times, bring it for a road test, and then make sure everything is operating like it should. Once you have that done, the job is done, and this tip should be very useful to you if you do find yourself in that position. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.